Hey guys, wanna know how to add GIFs to Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, keep in mind that you cannot directly import your GIFs in Filmora. You need to download it in an MP4 or MOV file. So next thing you can do is just simply head towards stickers and search for GIF. Okay, once that is done, it won't provide you specifically GIF but animated emojis or stickers which you can use as GIFs as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.